In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready to create an audio file and add it, use this button at the bottom right corner. Record your memo. When you finish, tap on the red button. To redo it, hit restart and start over. And to attach it, hit attach at the bottom right one. To add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner instead. Select Files and look for yours by tapping on one of those apps, selecting Audio at the top or clicking those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, just click on your file. Now let's start with videos. If you wish to create one and add it, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Tap on Video and create it. Fun fact, it will be automatically attached to your message after you finish, so you can send it right away. If you want to add already created video, tap on the same icon and scroll to access it. If you can't find it in Photos, try in Collections. Then tap on it to add it. Lastly, hit Done at the bottom right corner and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!